It was a bright morning at Alice's farm. The sun kissed the earth with its golden rays as Alice hummed a cheerful tune, tending to her vibrant garden. Hard work, she believed, made the flowers bloom brighter. Next, Alice made her way to the chicken coop. The clucking birds rushed to her as she tossed handfuls of golden corn. "Eat up, everyone," she laughed, enjoying their excitement. After her chores, Alice climbed onto the hay cart, accompanied by a playful goat. The gentle ride through the farm was her favourite moment, a reminder of the joy in life's simplest pleasures. In the farmhouse kitchen, Alice worked her magic. She kneaded dough for bread, her fingers sticky with flour. "This will be the best loaf yet," she said, her smile filled with determination. As the day ended, Alice sat on the fence, watching the sky paint itself in shades of gold and pink. Her cat purred beside her. "Life on the farm is perfect," she whispered, her heart full of joy.